In a sunlit kitchen, a compact toaster oven awakens as scraps are sorted into bright bowls and ready to transform. First, they become crispy zucchini fritters with a warm herb drizzle, turning wilted bits into golden bites. Next, apple cores and cinnamon skins morph into caramelized chips, sweet and tangy, crisp at the edges. Finally, chopped mushroom stems and stale bread forge savory croquettes, melting cheese into a comforting bite. The tale ends with a simple reminder to compost scraps that remain after cooking for a greener tomorrow.